Hello, welcome to Ivira Pharmacy. Today, we are going to show you how to test for COVID-19 using the rapid antigen test. For the rapid antigen test, you will receive 4 different parts in your kit. First, you will see your registration slip. This is going to be completed at the end of your testing, so hold on to this in a safe spot. Next, you have a sterile nasal swab and your testing cassette. And lastly, you have your testing fluid in this test tube. Your first step in the process is testing your nose with the nasal swab. It is important to only open this packaging once you are ready to test. Now that you are ready to test, sit comfortably in a chair. Open the nasal swab packaging to expose the tip of the swab that will enter your nose. Now slowly lower your mask and tilt your head back by 70 degrees. Going straight in, insert the nasal swab until you feel some resistance. Then you will swirl the nasal swab around your nose for several seconds. When you are ready, remove the nasal swab. You may now repeat this step on the second nostril. Now you are ready to prepare your sample. Taking the small clear tube, open the red top of the bottle. You will notice that there are 2 caps here, the red top and the clear top. Now insert your nasal swab into the tube and the solution and rotate for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you can gently squeeze the sides of the tube and make sure all of the solution is removed from the nasal swab. You can now throw out this nasal swab. Taking the second clear cap, gently seal this cap onto the top of the tube, making sure to not touch the top of the dropper. Now it is time to test. Remove your cassette from the sealed pouch. You will see on this cassette there are 3 letters, and at the bottom, the last letter, S, stands for sample. This is where you are going to place your sample. Taking your dropper tube, invert the bottle and place 3 drops into the sample well. After you have added your 3 drops, set a timer for 10 minutes. It will take 10 minutes for you to get your results. While you wait for your results, you will register your sample. Scanning the QR code at the top of your lab slip, you will be brought to a website to register your information. At the top of the page, there will be an area to select whether you received an antigen test or a PCR test. Be sure to select the right one. If you have any questions about which test you were given today, please ask your pharmacist. Once you have entered all the information, click Submit. Now there will be a confirmation number that appears. Be sure to write this information down on your lab slip. Now that you have submitted your registration and recorded your confirmation number, bring your slip of paper and cassette to the pharmacist. One of our trusted Ivira pharmacists will help you interpret the results of your rapid antigen COVID-19 test.